In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keymapping file to Pubg and Bluestacks 5. A keymapping file is simply a pre-made control layout for Pubg Mobile, so you don't have to bind every action by hand. We'll start with the easiest import method inside Bluestacks, then I'll show you a manual drag and replace option for advanced users. I'll also share a recommended pro-style layout and quick fixes for common issues. First, launch Bluestacks 5 and open Pubg Mobile. On the right side toolbar, click the keyboard icon to open Game Controls, then choose Open Advanced Editor. In the Advanced Controls window, click the Import button, which looks like a folder. Select your downloaded .cfg or a Bluestacks compatible .json keymapping file and click Open. Once it loads, click the Save checkmark to apply the layout, close the editor, and restart Pubg Mobile. That restart is important. Pubg needs a fresh launch to register the new bindings reliably. After the game reloads, make sure game controls are enabled. If they're off, press F1 to toggle them. You should now be using the imported layout without any extra setup. If you prefer the manual route, close Pubg and open File Explorer on your PC. Navigate to C program data /Bluestacks nxttl engine / user data input mapper. Copy your downloaded .cfg or compatible .json file and paste it into this folder. If you're replacing an existing file, confirm the overwrite. Now fully close Bluestacks, don't just minimize it. Exit from the system tray if needed so the background services stop, then reopen Bluestacks and launch Pubg Mobile. This ensures the engine reloads the new mapping file correctly. For a proven pro-style setup, movement is on WASD. Use left mouse click to fire and right mouse click to aim down sights. Hold shift to sprint, space to jump, C to crouch, Z to go prone, R to reload, and F to interact or pick up items. You can tweak these later in the editor, but this layout gives you fast access to the essentials. If the import button doesn't show up, update Bluestacks to the latest version. If controls don't respond after import, confirm game controls are enabled with F1. If your file isn't detected, verify it's a .cfg or a Bluestacks compatible .json. Finally, always restart Pubg after importing controls, and if you're unsure, try the official Pubg presets in Bluestacks first. For better aim, fine-tune sensitivity inside Pubg's settings to match your mouse and play style.